This dance is called Oh Lonesome Me. It's a 32 count, 2 roll, improve a level line dance. Starting on our right foot, cross rock right over left, recover the weight on the left, chassé to the right. Cross rock left over right, recover your weight on the right, chassé to the left, but with a quarter turn on the end. So that section once more then, cross rock chassé up on the right. 7, 8, cross rock, chassé, cross rock, chassé, turn. Rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left. Into some half shuffle turns. So we're going to do 2 of these, back to back. If you don't wish to do the equivalent of a full turn, that was created by these 2 half shuffles, just shuffle back on the right, then back on the left. Those of us who are turning, half shuffle turn over the right, quarter close quarter, and again, quarter close quarter. Add on the end, a back rock, recover. So that section once more then, rocking forward on the right. 7, 8, forward rock, half shuffle, back rock. Let's add that to the top. Cross rock, right over left. 7, 8, cross rock, right chassé, cross rock, chassé, turn, forward rock, half shuffle, back rock. Touch your right heel forward, touch the right toe back, shuffle forward on the right. Step forward on that left, pivot a half a turn right, shuffle forward on the left. So that section once more then, heel toe off on the right. 7, 8, heel, toe, right shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle. Let's add that to the top. Cross rock, right over left. 7, 8, cross rock, right chassé, cross rock, chassé, turn, forward rock, half shuffle, back rock. Heel, toe, right shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle. Add on a jazz box with a quarter turn. So we cross right over left, step the left back, make a quarter turn right, bring the feet together. Kick, ball change, with the right foot leading, walk forward, right, left. So that last section then, jazz box off on the right. 7, 8, cross, back, turn, close, kick, ball change, walk. End of dance when you get to that section. Right, let's put it all together. Cross rock, right over left. 7, 8, cross rock, right chassé, cross rock, chassé, turn, forward rock, half shuffle, back rock, heel, toe, right shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, cross, back, turn, close, kick, ball change, walk. So that's your dance. I think you can actually work out the timing, so I'm not proposing to actually go through the timing of the steps. But it is a 2-wall dance. So let's have a go at the back wall and keep going when we get back to the front so you can see how the walls join together. So here we go, cross rock, right over left. 7, 8, cross rock, right chassé, cross rock, chassé, turn, forward rock, half shuffle, back rock, heel, toe, right shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, cross, back, turn, close, kick, ball change, walk, cross rock, right chassé, cross rock, chassé, turn, forward rock, half shuffle, back rock, heel, toe, right shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, cross, back, turn, close, kickball, change, walk, walk. So that's your dance and your walk through. Let's give it a go to the music. Six, seven, eight. Cross, rock, right, shuffle, cross, rock, shuffle, turn, forward, walk, half shuffle, back, rock, heel, toe, right shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, cross, rock, turn, close, kickball, change, walk, walk, cross, rock, right shuffle, cross, rock, shuffle, turn, forward, rock, half shuffle, back, rock, heel, toe, right shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, cross, back, turn, close, kickball, change, walk, walk, cross, rock, right shuffle, cross, rock, shuffle, turn, forward, rock, half shuffle, back, rock, heel, toe, right shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, cross, back, turn, close, kickball, change, walk, walk, cross, rock, right shuffle, cross, rock, shuffle, turn, forward, rock, half shuffle, back, rock, heel, toe, right shuffle, step, pivot, left shuffle, cross, back, turn, close, kickball, change, walk, walk, cross, rock, forward rock, heel toe, jazz, cross rock, forward rock, heel toe,
I still love her so, and brother, don't you know,
Yes.
I'd welcome her right back here in my arms. Well, there must be some way I can lose these lonesome blues, forget about the past and find somebody new. I've thought of everything there to see. Oh, lonesome me. Oh, lonesome me.
Hope you managed that one.